Hey everybody, it's Christopher here, and it's time for a video unboxing. So, a little shy of 2 years ago, I came across this company out of Canada called Prairie Shadow Models, and it just posted that they were making these 50-foot Trinity boxcars, and I was like, nice, I want some. So I went to their webpage and was like, ooh, I like that, I like that, I like that. Well, I'm like, okay, so I pre-ordered 7, and I wanted to do more, but at that time I'm like, no, I better just do more than 7. 7's probably too much anyway, but I digress. So after 2 years, they're here. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the box. And yeah, we'll check them out. All right, let's go. Okay, so there's the box, and yeah, let's open her up. Oh, I've really been looking forward to these. Okay. Oh, hey, look, peanuts. And yes, I can't find my scissors, so, oh, wait a minute, I know where my scissors are. Hold on for a second. There they are. I was like, I didn't know where they were, because I saw them going to go get the box, and then I forgot I saw them, and I was resorting to using this, whatever, I can't think of my words right now, but I remember where they were. So, ooh. Yeah, let's get them out. Okay, here we go. Okay, our first one. It's kind of hard to see in the plastic, so you can't see. We're gonna have to get them out of the package to see them. But this one is the AOK patch stripes. Let's see. Oh yeah, that you can see that one. There's a Canadian National. This one is the, yeah, it's kind of hard to see again. It's a light color, but in a little bit I'll pick up a couple random ones, maybe one of them to take out of the actual box. It's like, can I grab things without? Kind of hard to do with this with one hand, but okay, there's one of 2 TTX boxcars. Again, kind of hard to see because of the glare, but yeah. Let's see here. Oh yeah, sky blue. There's like that. Here's the other TT box. TTX, I should say. And then should be one more. I'm trying to remember which one I got. Oh yeah, another just plain whatever. So, alright, so let me move the box out of the way. Alright. And yes. So I'm gonna pick one out just at random to take out of the box. Here. I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna take out this one right here. Just cause. So, all right, let's see. Just make sure I'm not gonna break anything. Sorry, I'm moving everybody all over the place. I'm sorry. Yes, I know. I need what do you call it? But I keep forgetting to get one. A tripod. So, okay. Ooh, nice. See if I can zoom in on the logos so you can see. I'm having a hard time. So, yeah. Very, very nice. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, it's out of focus. I'm going to take a few minutes, get them all out of the boxes, and, yeah, I'll come back right at you. Okay, so now they're all out of the box, and I actually got them over here on the layout. I've got them, would go over there to the yard, and put them all down in the yard and do the video over there, but my foot's hurting, so this will be the last thing I do. Get to doing a lot of more stuff tomorrow. I've been doing a lot of super trees today, but I digress. Anyway, so yeah, really nice. Very, very good. Like the white patches. I'm gonna have some fun putting graffiti on these puppies, weathering them. I'm not gonna weather them too much. They're not too old, you know, but they will get their share of graffiti. I know some people will be like, but whatever, it is what it is. I will have to replace the couplers though. They come with KDs, which is awesome, because a lot of manufacturers don't do KDs. They use cheaper versions, but they come with 5s instead of the 144s, 148s, the more scale size ones. For example, here's the Trinity, my Trinity, Aurora Trinity boxcars. You can see, hopefully, the size difference in the coupler. So, you can't really see, but yeah. I have one pair, or 2 pair, I should say, that I can do, but overall, they look all very spiffy, very spectacular like. Detail is pretty good. All the decals are crisp and clean. You know, overall, I'll say 9.5. It came with the smaller scale KDs, and they would get a 10. So, Prairie Shadow models, excuse me, let me do that. Prairie Shadow Models is the name of the manufacturer. They are out of Canada. Mr. Jeff Arnold is a great guy. He answered my concerns in the process of waiting for pre-orders, and I get a bad thing last month. They released a whole bunch of, or released for pre-order a whole bunch of hoppers, and I pre-ordered 12 of them. Vibe paintings, please, ha ha ha. Anyway, so, all right, I see they're pretty good. Maybe in the next couple of days, I'll get a train running and have these run in that train. So, in the meantime, happy model railroading. Peace out.